Hi guys, good evening again. Tonight I'm going to show you my curtain. Where did I hang? So very awesome, really guys, to look at. So fancy, and I really love to watch here. So I am thinking what's gonna be my next project because I'm going to sew again. And I guess I am thinking that maybe I can do a cover here on the bench. This is our bench here. That's a bamboo furniture. Then I just paint it. I wish I did not paint white because the white is really it will collect a lot of dirt, just like here. You see the dirt in here. And what is that? Yeah, I wish I did not add I did not paint white on the bench. So it's just like here on the table. They are cool and nice to look at. And now I need to cover it because the dirt, you know, when you, if there's somebody well set here that they're wearing it's like a new clothes, and when they set it here, it will have the color will stain to the bench, just like here. Color you can't really see, but here I can see it. So let's look at my curtain here. You see what I did there? That's really beautiful, guys. And here we go. See my curtains. It's so nice, so beautiful. There. And the other one here. That's the one that there's no more curtains, so I just leave it white. And here, see that? So beautiful, really, guys. I love watching our kitchen. Nice and full of colorful kitchen. Philip called this one a harvest kitchen, because we have our tanning here. Every time we have a harvest in our garden, we have plenty of vegetables, and that's why we call this one a harvest kitchen. Whatever. So this is going to be my next project, guys. I wanna cover the bench. I already have there a fabric to sew. So that's been a long time I keep it. I really love the kitchen. Now that I add that on top, stands out. So the original here is, this is it, the original, guys. See? But mine is a little bit longer. Like that is still a good looking curtain. So bye for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a happy evening. Bye bye. Please don't forget to like and comments and also subscribe it. God bless you all.